What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we'll be talking about SLP, smooth love portion. Guys, we're currently in alt season right now. A lot of the altcoins are actually outperforming Bitcoin. If you look left, front, right and center, almost every altcoin is pumping, and that's a very good sign. You want to see that in the market. You can see that the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum is actually pumping. Well, guys, the coin we're talking about today is smooth love portion. Now, this is an update video. The first time I brought this coin to you guys was on the 31st of January 2022. Guys, we talked about smooth love portion. You can see right here it was currently trading for $0.0099 per coin, and right now, if you're taking my advice that day, guess what, you would have been in over 120% profit. Guys, and in this video we're talking about the smooth love portion versus the dollar chart. We're talking about smooth love portions, market cap, price chart. I'll be showing you my price expectations and where I'll actually be taking profit on my smooth love portion. Guys, we'll also be talking about the smooth love portion Bitcoin chart. We'll be picking at the smooth love portion Ethereum chart, and guys, more importantly, the smooth love dominance chart. I'll be showing you some important signs I've seen and where it actually be very important for you guys to take profit. You want to enjoy the gains these coins are going to give you. At the same time, you don't want to give them back to the market. As you're enjoying the dip, guess what, when we get back to euphoria, you want to sell at the right time. So we're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can follow me on all social media platforms, on Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, and on YouTube. It's Mr. Legend Crypto. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So kicking off today's video, guys, you can see SLP is up 19% on the day. Is actually up 27% on the week, and that's actually very nice. You want to see SLP doing that right now. At the point of recording of this video, guys, the market cap of SLP is currently at $114 million. It has a fully diluted market cap of $113 million. It has a circulating supply of 5.28 billion coins. Now, the funny thing about circulation is that it's not capped. So the more SLP comes into the market, the more the market cap will increase. The price might increase, but more times than not, the market cap will increase without the price increasing. Now, where's our price point? At which price point, guys, will it make sense to start taking your profits on your SLP? Yes, you don't want to be holding your SLP. Some people held SLP from all the way from 0.3. They held it down over 97%. They lost over 97% of their money. So now, as we're going up, you want to actually know the best time to take profits. Now you can see right here that from the day I brought you guys that video, SLP actually pumps over 300%. Then we had a small consolidation right now, and SLP just actually looks like it broke out from this consolidation. Looks like it wants to go back to test that 0.04 region, and from current position right now to that point, it's going to mean SLP will pump like just 100%, which is very possible. You can see the last time SLP pumped, they actually had a 300% pump, and if you're expecting this to be the longer wave, I actually expect SLP to pump to this region, guys, to like 0.6. So from the point of recording of this video, if SLP pumps to 0.6, that's about a 200% increase. That's about the kind of pump SLP will give you in this kind of scenario. If you calculate it from the bottom, it will give you like a 300% pump. That's classic SLP. That will be exactly where I'll be taking my first profit, 0.06, because from the bottom right here where I brought you guys the video, that will be almost a 500% return. A 500% return on initial investment is actually very good. Now, the smooth love market cap chart is actually important in this scenario, guys, because I told you guys some new circulating supplies in smooth love portion used to enter the market at frequent times. So sometimes, guys, you can be seeing circulating supply increasing, but the price will not be increasing correspondingly. Now, if we're looking at the smooth love market cap chart, you can see right here that it was rising from when the coin was launched from 2021 January. It was increasing because more coins were coming to circulation and they were valued at a particular amount. The market cap went up over 58,000%. So for us seeing the correction that we had seen, or that we just saw, it's 8% correction, is actually very normal. Now, the next place I'll be expecting to take profit is when it gets back to all-time high, and that's over 800% from when we started recording the video. When I brought you SLP the first time, if you had bought it that day, you would have gotten 800% return if we get back to the all-time high. But right now, from the point of recording of this video, where SLP currently is, if you buy SLP now and it gets back to the all-time high for the market cap chart, you want to see a 160% increase in the market cap of SLP. And at the point of recording of this video, guys, the market cap of SLP is $114 million. Now, a 160% increase on the dollar price chart will take you to which side? Look at that. almost 0.6, 150%, 160%, carrying to 0.55, 0.6. That will be a very, very good place to take some profits. Now guys, the smooth lot portion versus the Bitcoin price chart, you can see that the portion where we are right now is among the lowest region smooth lot portion have been against Bitcoin since its existence. And the last time it was at this region, guys, guess what it did? Smooth lot portion gained over 1,400% on Bitcoin in just 98 days. Can smooth lot portion do that again? Hell yeah, guys. This is crypto. Everything is possible. And in most times in these coins, guys, what really happens is that when smooth lot portion start pumping, for example, pumping to the moon, and it's going to the moon, and people now start seeing that their Bitcoin is not gaining value, just like smooth lot portion, guys, guess what they will do? They will start flipping their Bitcoin for smooth lot portion. Guys, the same thing with the Ethereum pairing. Ethereum pairing is actually at an all-time low. Smooth lot portion against Ethereum, and some point in time in the future, it will have to pump. People start flipping their Ethereum for smooth lot portion because they want that smooth profit. And you can see that smooth lot portion have actually gained over 1,200% on Ethereum in just 98 days. So that is very, very possible again. And guys, the last chart we'll be looking is the smooth lot portion dominance chart. You can see that it's just almost at its all-time high. It just has to gain over 152% to get to its all-time high. So that's very, very bullish signs. You want to see smooth lot portion gaining more percentages. You want to see it increase. You want to enjoy the pump. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.